YouTube channel. We are now taking a very unique ride in the 1970 Beetle Dune Buggy. You may be saying to yourself, how in the heck are these two people driving this car on the road right now? I will tell you it is a little bit street worthy, also known as an off-road vehicle. This one we have here featuring a full-on gray exterior. This enthusiast, some very nice chrome wheels on it, but we have good ridge tires. Also want to tell you right away, of course you may know this already, that most of these bodies made were actually fiberglass, not metal. So I do not recommend tipping it over. I recommend being as safe as possible while driving a vehicle like this. Anyway, other than that, you got a few cool lights there. Do recommend installing a roller cage if you were to drive this car. We do have a mini one in the back. Other than that, moving on to the inside, as you can see, we got twin black bucket seats, aftermarket 3-spoke wheel with the nice little vinyl on it. There's like cloth material. It's got some upgraded gauges there on the cluster there. Few unique switches. You may also notice we have a Boss radio there with audio adjustment, which is very nice to the speakers that you will see in the back seat. Of course, because I do like to be safe, and more importantly, I don't know how the road is going to respond to a vehicle of this nature. So we're just going to turn it around quickly, but we will not stop the video there. Of course, you know, with these Volkswagens, they're always made on unique frames, just as much as any other cool car like this. The motor still having that Volkswagen nature in the back, as you can see. Does not go as fast as needed, but of course on a road like this, you can act like a goofball, nobody will care what you do. But of course, it has some other cool functions. Like I said, the buttons are unique. It has a push button start, push button horn, which, give me 1 second. Very nice thing there. Get the nice little phone holder. Your key is actually located underneath the dash, which if you do decide to purchase this vehicle, we'll show you exactly how it works. But as for now, we are just going to get it turned around on the lift because it is that time of the day and it is too hot here, especially in Florida, and I can't take it no more. But if you have a minute, just stay tuned to see you underneath.